Kumasa sa ating segment ang former Letran Knight at isa sa inaasahang gwardya ng Meralco Bulls na si Bong Quinto. Siya po ang bida rito sa Fast Talk.
Bong, sing or dance and why?
Dance na lang para pagpawisan ako.
Sleep or workout?
Tulog, sleep,
What is the food that is always in your fridge?
chocolate.
What is your favorite movie and why?
One more chance na lang din, siguro. Para ma-feel mo yung love ng partner mo ngayon.
Would you rather spend the day with your favorite athlete or your favorite movie star?
Athlete na lang. Siguro si Kobe.
Would you rather be trapped in a romantic comedy with your enemies or trapped in a horror movie with your friends?
Sa comedy na lang, tapos ayusin namin yung relationship namin para batiin na kami.
What are the unwritten rules of where you work?
Ha?
Unwritten rules of where you work.
Don't be late.
What is the funniest joke you know by heart?
Nagawa po si Alvin Pasaol.
What is the nicest thing that anyone has told you?
Na matangkad ako. Pero hindi naman.
What is your greatest achievement?
Siguro yung makapag-PBA at the same time, magkaroon ako ng asawa.
The most expensive thing you have bought for yourself?
Para sa akin, siguro sapatos.
What is the first thing you would ask God?
Maging healthy yung family ko, yung mga teammates ko, coaches. Meralco Bulls, mag-champion.
If you could be someone for a day, who would it be and why?
Yung wife ko, syempre.
If you could be someone for a day,
For a day,
who would it be and why?
si Raymond na lang. Kasi masarap kasama si Raymond eh. Lalo na pag dalawa lang kami.